Hi, as you might be able to guess from the Pop Funkos here, today I'm going to make some more Avengers themed baking. I'm going to be making some Thor Cupcakes. Thor God of Thunder, little bobblehead, seems so adorable and non-threatening. But we're going to make some Hammer Cupcakes, but you have to be worthy to eat. So to start things off, we need to make the cupcakes. And to do this, I've got some chocolate sponge mix, going with the easy route that I'm going to use to make the basic cupcakes. Whilst the cupcakes are in the oven, I'm going to use this gingerbread mix to make some gingerbread Thor hammers, like this little guy is hammers. Yeah, look at him. Oh, that's always dead. And they're done. Once you cut out your gingerbread, you should have something that resembles Thor's hammer. I've made a few extra ones just in case they don't go well. I've made some bigger ones, some smaller ones, because we don't know how it's going to go, but it's going to be fun. They're all hammers and I'm worthy to carry them all. Once you've cut out your gingerbread, and assuming you're worthy enough to lift the tray, you should be ready to bake your hammers. Okay, so I've made Ginger Thor, and he looks rather interesting. They're not uddered. Couldn't tell the difference, eh? Once everything's cooled down, we're ready to start decorating our cupcakes. Now for this, I've got some chocolate icing for the top, and some Oreos that I'm going to crush up to make the earth that the hammers are smashing through. Let's give it a go. So these are my finished Thor cupcakes. I have so much trouble saying that word. My 4 becomes the number 4 far too many times. Anyway, these cupcakes are great and probably the best ones I've ever made. I've got cupcakes, mashed them in with some Oreos to make the broken up ground texture and wedged a hammer in. And if you're worthy, you might just be able to pull it out, but I'm not going to try because it'd be really embarrassing if I didn't actually manage to pull it out and wasn't worthy of my own cupcake. So if you enjoyed this video, please throw a like down below. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more Avengers baking. This is my second Avengers baking video and I've really enjoyed it, so I might try and make something for the other Avengers, still not sure, so let me know. Also, please follow my Instagram, Twitter, and all the other social links down below, because I frequently ask you guys what you want me to bake and ask you about videos on there, so get involved. Bye.